I bet you've never had apple juice like this, but guess what? I'll share the recipe with you today. Let's go. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making apple juice with a twist. Now it's with a twist because the lime gives it a different dimension altogether, and it's a very simple recipe, guys. All you're gonna need is some apples and a key lime. That's it. No water, no sugar, and you can get the recipe, guys, in the description box below. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna need to cut up all your apples, dice them up nicely so that they can fit into your juicer, and then you're also gonna need to do that for your lime. So once your apples and lime are nicely diced, guys, we're going to go ahead and start loading a hopper. That's it. We're going to add our apples, we're going to add our lime, and we're going to turn on this bad boy. We're going to do this in batches because everything does not fit in one go. In the Nama J3, if you have the Nama J2 or another juicer where all of it can fit in there, go ahead. And after that, we're going to turn it on and we're going to wait till the juicer makes the juice. That's simply it. Now this is what I call liquid gold. Look at that. Not out of box, not from a store, but straight from your own house. Obviously, if you have apple trees, that's even better, but I don't have apple trees because apple trees like this don't necessarily grow in Barbados. We have a different type of apple. So once you're finished juicing, guys, you're going to go ahead and you're going to turn off your juicer, and then you're going to get yourself a nice glass, any glass of your choice. Get about 3 ice cubes. Here I have some circular ice cubes, and you're going to go ahead and pour that liquid goodness into a glass and sip on it, and that's it. Guys, that is today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Guys, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Until next week, bye bye.